Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello everyone. Today is the second session of Kangaro class, and today I will show you the easiest and the fastest ways to solve Kangaro problems. Let's get started. Now, the first problem with us today, on each of three pieces of paper, a three-digit number is written. Two of the digits are covered. The sum of the three numbers is 826. What is the sum of the two covered digits? To make it easier, we're going to put it under each other. So let's start with the first number, 243. And let's write here 1 and here empty square because we don't know what is the number here or what the digit here. So let's write here 7. And this is an empty square again and 2, 6. And then the sum of it, as he said here, is 826. So now we're gonna add them to see what is the missing digits. Firstly, let's add from the ones, of course. 3 plus 7 equals 10 plus 6 equals 16. So 6 here and carry up 1. 1 plus 4 equals 5 plus what here? We don't know it, but plus 2. So 5 plus 2 here equals 7. So 7 plus what here gives us 2. But it doesn't make sense that 7 plus a number equals 2. So this is not 2 actually, it's a 12. So it's 2 here and carry up 1. So the question is 7 plus what here in the empty box here to give us 12? Yes, 7 plus 5. So let's write here 5. And after that, we said that 12 and we're gonna put 1 up. So 1 plus 2 equals 3, plus 1 equals 4. And what is the number here? If we add up to 4, it will be 8. So it will be 4. So the two missing digits or the two covered digits are 4 and 5. And he's asking about the sum of them. So 4 plus 5 equals to 9. So the answer will be 9. Okay, let's go to the second problem with us today. The Mayan people wrote numbers with dots and bars. A dot is written for 1 and a bar is for 5. So how did they write 17? So as the question said here, 1 dot equals 1 and 1 bar equals 5. So how can we write 17? Let's start with the big number. So how many 5s in 17? Of course, 3 5s in 17. So we're gonna write, or we're gonna draw 3 bars. And then, what's the remaining of 17 after we draw 3 bars? Each one with 5s. So just 17 minus 15 equals 2. So we're gonna put 2 dots because each dot represents 1. So which of these answers? So we have here this one. So it's 3 bars and 2 dots equals 17. So C is the correct answer. Okay, let's go to the next one. Susan is 6 years old. Her sister is 1 year younger, and her brother is 1 year older. What is the sum of the ages of the three siblings? So let's think about it. Susan is 6 years old. Okay, so this is Susan, 6 years old. And her sister is 1 year younger. So sister is 1 year younger, it means 5. And her brother is 1 year older. So brother is 1 year older than Susan. So it will be 7. The question is here, what is the sum? Means we have to add them all together. So 6 plus 5 equals 11 plus 7 equals 18. So our answer is letter C. That's great. Let's go to the next one. Okay, now pause the video for 3 seconds and think about it and get back to the video. Okay, now let's read it. First, Diana scores 12 points in total with 3 arrows. On her second turn, she scored 15 points. How many points does she score on her third turn? So as you see here, we have Diana in the first turn, 12 points. So as you see here, the position of the 3 arrows is not in the center, so it will be the same value. So all we have to do, we're going to divide the 12 points to know or to see how many each arrow will be. Okay, so each arrow here will be 3 or 4. Just divide 12 by 3. So we're going to divide 12 by 3 here, so it will be 4 each. So in this position, each arrow equals 4 points. Let's go to the next one. The next turn, she scored 15 points. So as you see here, we have 2 arrows with 4 and 1 in the middle. So 4 plus 4 equals 8. So what the remaining to get 15? Yes, it's 7. So the center arrow equals to 7. So 15 minus 8 equals to 7 to get the value of the center arrow. So as you see here in the third picture, we have 3 arrows in the center. So each arrow equals 7. So if we add them together, so it will be 7 plus 7 plus 7, it will be equals 21. So the answer is 21. That's great. Let's go to the next problem. Okay, let's pause the video for 3 seconds, think about it, and come back to me. Now, Peter Rabbit has 20 carrots. She eats 2 carrots every day. She ate the 12th carrot on Wednesday. So, on which day did she start eating the carrots? Okay, let's think about it. So, firstly, she has 20 carrots and she eats 2 carrots every day. So, she ate the 12th carrot on Wednesday. 12th carrot. So, we're going to divide. We're going to divide 12 by 2 to know the number of days that she eat all these 12 carrots. So we're going to divide 12 by 2, so it will be 6 days. So she spent 6 days to eat 12 carrots. So when she started to eat the carrots, so let's see, we have here Wednesday, right? So Wednesday, let's subtract or let's get back in time 6 days. So Wednesday, she ate the 12th carrot. Tuesday, she ate the 10th carrot. Monday, the 8th carrot, because each day she ate 2 carrots. So after that, Sunday, 6 carrots. Saturday, 4th. Friday, the first 2 carrots. So she started to eat carrots starting from Friday. So the correct answer is Friday, letter E. You are awesome. Let's go to the next problem. Okay, now, as usual, stop the video for 3 seconds and think about it and get back to me. Now, there are 14 girls and 12 boys in a kindergarten. If half of the children go for a walk, at least, and remember this word, at least, how many of them remained in the kindergarten or girls? So, how many of them remained in the kindergarten or girls? So, as you see here, at least means the smallest number of girls. The smallest number remained in the kindergarten or girls. So, firstly, let's get the total number of children. 14 girls plus 12 boys equals 26 children. Okay, so now we're gonna subtract 26 minus half of the 26 because he said here half of the children go for a walk. So half 26 is 13 equals 13. So we have 13 children remained. So in this case, the least number, if we count the whole 12 boys, so the least number of girls remained is 1. So 12 plus 1, 12 boys plus 1 because he said the least. So the smallest number of girls remained is 1 girl. Okay, let's go to the next problem. In an ancient language, the symbols, these symbols as you see here, represent the following numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Nobody knows which symbol represents which number, okay? But we know these equations. So, these two symbols, if we add them together, we're going to get the fish symbol. And these two symbols, we're going to give us this symbol. So, the question is, which symbol represents the number 3? So let's think about it. So we have two similar numbers, gives us this symbol. So what the two similar numbers gives us two symbols. Let's say 1 plus 1. So 1 plus 1 equals 2. So this symbol is 2. Okay, so we have the three symbols here. But can we write two numbers here to give us 1 here? Because this symbol is 1. So we can't. So we can't put 1 here. So let's say this symbol is 2. 2 plus 2 equals 4. Excellent. So what plus what equals 2? Yes, 1. So this 1 plus 1. So it works. So let's go to the third equation. So this we said equals 1 plus the fish 1 equals 4 equals 5. So this equals 5. So let's write on each symbol its value. So this equals 2, this equals 1, this equals 4, and this equals 5. What is the missing number here? Yeah, 3, with the last symbol here. So the symbol with the digit 3 is letter A. That's awesome. Let's go to the next question. Okay, everyone, this is the last question of our session today. The sum of the ages of a group of kangaroos is 36 years. After 2 years' time, the sum of their ages will be 60 years. How many kangaroos are in that group? Okay, let's think about it. Firstly, the ages of the group of kangaroos changed from 36 to 60 years. So let's subtract them together, 60 minus 36 to know how many years added. So 16 minus 36 equals 24. So now 24 and each one of these kangaroos 2 years, added 2 years for each one. So all we have to do to divide 24 divide by 2 to get the number of kangaroos. So 24 divided by 2 equals 12. So the answer will be letter B. Okay, everyone, let's go to the homework page. Okay, everyone, that's it for today. Thank you for watching and check your homework on Classera. And don't forget, think smart, not hard. See you. Bye.